This bird has been standing there for 2 hours. It's incredible. Literally. It's been on that post since 4:30. Let me see if I can scare it off. The reason is because it's been there for 2 hours. It's so natural. I don't know if it needs help. Unusual for a bird to just be in one place for 2 hours, no? Are you okay, Mr. Bird? Got one leg cocked up in the air. You've been standing there since 4:30. It's now 6:30. Oh, I just found the reason why. Oh my God, look. That's why it's been there for 2 hours. Look. I didn't really take much notice of those weird colored things. That's why it's there. It's on guard. Oh my goodness. I was wondering why this bird was standing in one place for 2 hours. There's its reason. My goodness. That must be Papa. Is that Papa or Mama? No, I don't know. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Wow. What human on earth could be that diligent to stand like a sentry guard? Wow. That's amazing. 1 foot in the air, and that's all it's been doing. It stood there on 1 foot for over 2 hours, 1 foot cocked up, and head going back and forth. So that must be the Papa look, because I'm assuming this is the Mama. I don't know. This is so unusual. Let's see what happens now. I don't know if they are related. I'm assuming they are related. See? He or she's turned to check who's at the back. This is incredible. 2 hours. I just decided to just video this thing because you never get birds in one place for so long. Uh-oh. I think it doesn't like the fact that I've come close. Or maybe it's feeding time. Let's see what's gonna happen now. Wow, should have taken a picture 2 hours ago. I think it's feeding time because now they're all getting up and they're looking at her. I thought that was just a bit of discolored fabric on the grass. Now they've opened up and it's birds, animals. Wow. Creation is amazing. Our Creator is amazing. Wow. Wow. I was doing my work and I kept thinking, why is that bird standing there? 2 hours. Wow. Amazing. And now the little ones are following that one about what to do, what to eat, but then the other one is standing guard now. It's not eating. Wow. Yes. It's how diligent we are to be over our soul, over our children, over our dreams, over our desires. Wow. Over our soul's purpose. I think that's it. Whatever we're here on earth to do, to be, to God, to have, to release, to give, we must stand guard over God's dreams. See, it's checking me out, checking me out, checking me out. I might step back so they can eat in peace. Wow. See? The other one's on guard now. Once they eat, the other one's on guard. Wow. Amazing. 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 Couldn't make this up. Wow. Well done, Mama. Or Papa. Not sure who's who. Wow, look at that sentry. On guard. On guard. Like a Roman soldier. Wow. Not budging, not moving. Don't worry, I'm harmless to you, my dear. I'm harmless. I plan nothing bad against you checking me out, huh? Wow, look at that. Standing still, hasn't moved from that spot. Oh, they're having a chat now to say, honey, you go watch the kids. Oh, there's danger. I'm gonna face the front, you're gonna face the back. Wow. So what if... No, not gonna think it. What if something came to disturb? Then what? What will they do? Okay, amazing. I think the lesson I'm learning here, number one, be on your guard at all times. Number two, work in pairs, work together. Two are better than one. See, one mama trying to defend the chicks, look after the chicks, feed the chicks, protect the chicks, cool the chicks down when it's too hot. Not such a great situation. But two together work together. Wow.